Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Stash app. First, download the Stash app from your device's App Store, available for both Apple and Android. Stash is a personal finance app designed to make investing accessible for everyone, especially beginners. It empowers everyday Americans to build wealth gradually and wisely. You can begin your investment journey with as little as $5, making it easy to start. To set up your Stash account, first create your profile by entering your personal details and investment preferences. Next, link your external bank account. This crucial step allows you to easily fund your investments. Stash offers different subscription plans, typically starting around $3 per month, so choose one that aligns with your financial goals and budget. Investing with Stash is straightforward. You can explore diverse investment options, including thousands of individual stocks and exchange-traded funds, or ETF. Stash allows you to buy fractional shares, meaning you can invest in expensive companies with as little as 1 cent or 5 cents for shares over $1,000. For consistent growth, set up AutoStash to automatically invest on a schedule, helping you take advantage of dollar-cost averaging. Managing your investments on Stash is simple. You can easily monitor your portfolio's performance and diversification directly within the app. Stash also provides extensive educational resources and personalized advice to help you understand investing better. For a hands-off approach, consider using a smart portfolio, which is expertly managed and automatically rebalances to align with your risk profile and financial goals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.